Good day, Philippines!
Good day, world!
We're the Music and Me, and welcome to
Bohol!
Dito po kami ngayon sa yes, the famous Chocolate Hills.
Hi! Hello! Nung binigyan namin siya ng pasalubong from Bohol, ang turingan namin parang naging sisters na.
Hala, patatabain niyo. Alam mo ba, ito palagi kinakain ko pagka nag-out of town.
Yung first verse lang, that has to be dramatic, soft.
Okay po.
I-contrast natin.
Baka Tito Mark, baka pwedeng gawin natin i-free flow natin.
Pagdating sa But You Were History,
May tempo na siya.
But you were history with a slamming of the door.
This is actually so much better than yung first session natin.
Nakaka-flatter masabihan na parang ang galing-galing nyo. Very fulfilling po sa part namin na as duo na nabigay yung best namin.
Proud ako sa'yo dahil dinala mo ang Music and Me dito sa The Voice. Diba? Always remember na nandito lang ako as your Ate Guaps and push natin to. We can do this.
Thank you so much, Ate Gops, for everything. You know na ikaw talaga yung isa sa mga nakapagpa-improve sa singing ability ko. I know na will to ni God na mapunta tayo dito. Coming from Bohol, all glory and honor are all to God.